Hey there. If you're new to investing and looking to dip your toes in the financial waters, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top 3 investment platforms for beginners in 2025. Let's dive right in. Hi, I'm PK from TP, where we simplify personal finance for everyone. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more financial tips. Now let's get into the top 3 investment platforms every beginner should consider in 2025. First is eToro, a global platform perfect for beginners. With features like social trading, you can copy successful investors and start trading without a lot of experience. Plus, it's commission-free for stocks and the mobile app is super easy to use. Next up is Zerodha, an excellent platform for Indian investors. It offers low brokerage fees and a simple interface. They also have an educational platform called Varsity to help beginners get up to speed with investing. For those interested in crypto, Binance is the go-to platform. It's one of the world's largest exchanges with low trading fees and a wide variety of coins to choose from. Perfect for anyone looking to diversify into digital assets. To recap, eToro is great for beginners who want to copy experienced traders. Zerodha is ideal for Indian investors looking for low-cost stock trading. Binance is perfect for those getting into crypto with a wide variety of options. Which platform are you going to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more personal finance tips. All the links to these platforms are in the description, so go check them out and start investing today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing. Kindly subscribe for Be Beneficial.